Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a vegetable cutlet, beetroot banana cutlet. So let's see what all ingredients we need. For that I have taken one big beetroot. If you don't have big one, you can take two small one, and I did boiling. With that I have taken one small banana, sabba banana, and one small potato. And we need one chopped onion. I chopped it very small. One piece of ginger chopped, 3 or 4 curry leaves and 2 green chilies. Half teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, ¾ tablespoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of amchur powder or dry mango powder, 2 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, salt as needed, breadcrumbs as needed, and oil. So let's see how we are going to prepare this. First, we have to boil the banana and potato. If you are doing pressure cook, you can do for 1 whistle. I have done boiling beetroot, banana and potato. So let's see how we are going to prepare this cutlet. For making the cutlet mix, I have kept one pan. It become hot now. So now I am going to add two tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I am going to add onion and green chilies. And once the onion changes to a good color, I am going to add now the ginger chopped and curry leaves. Mix well. After giving a good mix, now I am going to add turmeric powder and the chili powder. With that, I am going to add garam masala and amchur powder, give a good mix. Once the masala's raw smell goes, I am going to add the beetroot mashed, boiled and mashed. With that, banana and potato mashed, Mix well. I have given a good mix with the masala and the beetroot banana mix. Now I am going to add the pepper powder and the salt. Give a good mix. The cutlet mix is ready. We can switch off the flame. Make sure that all masalas and all the beetroot banana mix coated well. And also the mix should be in dry. It should not contain water. As you can see, all the cutlet mix nicely mixed well and coated well. So I am going to keep it aside for semi-cooling. So after that we have to make the cutlet shape. So I am keeping it aside for cooling down. After cooling down the cutlet mix, I feel this masala is having moisture content. So I am adding breadcrumbs to make it dry. You can add 1 or 2 teaspoons of breadcrumbs and we can mix it. After mixing with the breadcrumbs, I am going to make into cutlet shapes. You can take each one small ball size. Don't allow this mixture to cool down completely. We need semi-hot. You can make it into any shape. I have made into cutlet shape. Now I am going to fry it. For that I have kept one pan. Let's see how we are going to fry it. The oil is hot. I am going to fry the cutlet now. For that I have taken the cutlet, one cutlet, and dipping in the cornstarch mix. I added little bit of water to the cornstarch and I made a paste, and then I am dipping in this breadcrumbs and we can keep it for frying. Rest we do the same. Dip it in the corn flour mix. That breadcrumbs. And keep it for frying. Take one cutlet, dip it in the cornstarch mix. Then coat it with breadcrumbs. And keep it for frying. While flipping the cutlet, have to be gentle or else it will break. So the other side also cooked well. So we can take out from the oil and we can keep it in a napkin. Beetroot banana cutlet is ready. It's a very healthy snack. Hope you like this recipe. Try it out and leave us a comment. Please do like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you for watching. Thank you.